Alright, my good people, and now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this, now me don't come your screen with breaking news. Me don't come back again with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. And the cocoa now be say the Yoruba Socio-Cultural Organization don last call on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make him sharply release the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra wey be Nnamdi Kanu. Now my good people, if you ask me about this update, I go tell you say it was very much unexpected but e dey very necessary. You know say e get one time wey Igbo people get beef with Yoruba people and the quarter starts from Lagos State. The koko that time be say Yoruba people now dey for inside Lagos, they pursue Igbo people wey dey for inside the state make dem to come comot. After all, now Yoruba now get the land, they no want to see Igbo people, and sake of all these levels, the Ohaneze Indibo self go even put mouth for the matter. They come dey tell the Yoruba people say make dem do the camps, make dem no even worry. Say right now they fight for their referendum. They want to make their home Biafra come. So if Biafra come last come, anything they want carry their Lagos State do, make them carry and do, it no go concern them. The Yoruba people go dey their day, while the Igbo people they go dey their day. So that, my good people, now how the matter they conclude. And ever since that time, the Yoruba never answer Igbo and the Igbo never answer Yoruba. But now the Yoruba Socio-Cultural Organization will be Afenifere, they don't put mouth for the matter. They don't describe Nnamdi Kanu as a political detainee, and they yarn say Nnamdi Kanu continued detention is very much unjustifiable, and they call on our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, maybe their brother, to make him take prompt action, make him move sharply to make sure say Nnamdi Kanu gets his freedom. And the association they yarn all these levels, they make this call for inside one communique where they signed by their deputy leader where they go by the name Oba Oladipo Olaitan. And the communique come board after one meeting like that where the organization then gets. And this meeting happened for inside the Isanya Obo residence of their leader will be Pa Ayo Adebanjo. So like this now, my good people, the Yoruba Socio-Cultural Organization will be Afenifere, them too don't touchlight the matter. They don't say and say Nnamdi Kanu don't too suffer for the hands of the federal government. And the things and things where this administration say they do them, it don't make sense at all. So according to how they yarn for inside their communique, they say from all circumstances, particularly since they abduct Nnamdi Kanu for inside the year 2021, and they come rendition am to we nation Nigeria. Ever since that time, they don't subject Nnamdi Kanu to controversial and conflicting legal proceedings for inside different courts, by which his fair trial may no longer be guaranteed in the opinion of reasonable members of the public. And it is very much clear 100% say Nnamdi Kanu will be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, na political detainee na him be. So in the interest of justice and national reconciliation, them will be Afenifere, they urge our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu make him release Nnamdi Kanu and make him do am sharp because there is no justifiable reason to continue to keep Nnamdi Kanu in detention without trial. So that's, my good people, now the things and things where the organization yarn about Nnamdi Kanu case. And no be lie, my good people, the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu, it no make sense at all. And it is very much illegal and unconstitutional because even Supreme Court said we don't drop ruling when they release Nnamdi Kanu because there is no case in his case. Make them set the man free and let him go. But no, the federal government follow back with the appeal judgment. They say the man jump bail. How can you give somebody bail in contain has they relax? Then federal government can send operatives them, make them go in house, go do 1 or 2. Based on the kind of force where this man observed, say they come for him. I know very well say now in life, now they want to collect, now in escape, now in trauma just to save in life. They come the yarn say in jump bail. Those kind of levels normal. It no make sense at all. Anyhow, this informate be for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make it drop them inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get another legit intel with my table like this one need share give the general public. And the cocoa be say the People's Democratic Party for inside Ondo State don't criticize Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa sake of the recently signed 2025 state budget, wey dem as PDP dem label am as a budget of looting due to wetin dem describe as wasteful and dubious allocations. Report dey ground like dis say the governor of Ondo State, wey be Governor Aiyedatiwa, im sign 698.6 billion naira budget into law just after the bill now don pass the State House of Assembly. And this Ondo State 2025 budget wey the governor just sign so, my good people, e dey allocate 265.4 billion naira for recurrent expenditure and 434.62 billion naira for capital projects. But however, the People's Democratic Party don dey question the transparency of the spending plan, and dem even single out some allocations wey dem consider frivolous. And these allocations dey include 200 million naira for lawmakers and 280 million naira for the Speaker of the Ondo State House of Assembly. These allocations na for phone expenses. So outside the salary wey lawmakers dey collect, outside all the bonus and every other thing wey dey collect for a month, dem still allocate 200 million naira for the lawmakers and 280 million naira especially for the Speaker of the Ondo State House of Assembly, just for phone expenses. Na why the PDP dem come outside come dey hala say this level e no make sense at all, and dem even come drop statement sef about the matter. For inside the statement, the People's Democratic Party Publicity Secretary, wey dey go by the name Kenny, come dey yarn say the Ondo State 2025 Appropriation Act, wey dey signed by Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa, na 100% budget of looting, yet the governor dey call am budget of recovery. You know say the PDP still dey query the allocation of 11.5 billion naira to the Ministry of Finance under the subhead of security vote. The PDP now come dey yarn say that kind amount of money, it is very much unjustifiable, and the thing dey raise serious concerns about accountability. So this controversy now, my good people, e dey highlight the kwata between the ruling APC and the opposition, wey be the People's Democratic Party, over the state's fiscal policies and the questions wey the People's Democratic Party don dey ask about prioritization of funds based on the widespread economic challenges. PDP now dey yarn say things get as e be for inside we nation Nigeria, but the Ondo State governor get mind dey go allocate 200 million naira for lawmakers separate, and another 280 million naira for the Speaker of the Ondo State House of Assembly, just for phone expenses. This, my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. I dey come your side again to another legit news for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.